Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kits that I have planned for July. I'm going to stick in the Recollections vertical planner. I know they're not making them anymore, but I'm going to keep using it through the end of 2022 since I have that, and then I'll figure out something else for next year. But in the meantime, I'm going to keep using it, so I'm just going to keep using kits that fit in there. So first off, the first week is July 4th through the 10th. And I'm going to use this kit from Nicole Kelly Creations since it's 4th of July. 4th of July kit seemed appropriate. In fact, I think this kit is called 4th of July. Definitely fun, definitely patriotic, and I think it's going to be a good choice to use for that week. The next is July 11th through the 17th. And I don't have anything particular going on that week, but I thought I would use this kit from Lovely Planner. This is her Summer Gnomes kit. I've been using all her gnome kits lately and just really enjoying them. I think they're fun and cute and quirky. So this is the summer version that I plan to use then. I like the watermelon beachy kind of vibes, even if I don't get to enjoy the beach that week. The third week is July 18th through the, math is hard, 24th. So I'm going to be using this kit called Pirates of the Caribbean from B&R Paper Crafts. Again, not like a strict reason I'm going to be using this kit. I just thought that it would be fun. I know with the whole Johnny Depp Amber Heard case recently, Pirates has been coming up a lot, but also it just feels like a summer movie to me. So this is the full boxes, bottom washi and date covers, functional boxes, more functionals and some icons, full box checklists, more boxes, and some functional things here. Glitter headers, little things, flags, things like that, washi strips, word headers, and a few skinny boxes. So my plan will probably be to use the most piratey themed ones and then keep the more general navigation boxes for later. I think that's gonna make it the most summer vibes, but we'll see. But the plan is to use this kit regardless. So we've got that. And then the last week is July 25th through the 30th, I believe. 31st, maybe. But I'm going to use this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. This is our pink lemonade kit. There are some tentative plans for us to go on vacation that week. Not totally certain what we're doing at that point. So I might end up changing this kit out. We'll have to see, but it's definitely summery. And if I don't use it this last week, I'll just move it into my August plans. So you'll either see it the week that it's planned for, or you'll see it again in my August kit plan video. But either way, that's my last kit planned. There's only 4 weeks that fall predominantly / entirely in July. So there we go. That's what I have right now. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what your favorite is of all these kits. I would love to hear about that. And also let me know your kit plans for yourself, because I'd love to hear what you're using as well. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads. I'll tag the shops. You'll see all these kits being used. And then also you can see bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, things like that. And until next time, bye.